Peppa! Where are you? She's not here in the kitchen or in the living room. Maybe she's in her bedroom. She's not here either. Maybe she's at the patio. Hello, Daddy Pig. Hello, Mommy Pig.
Hey there, George. What are you up to today?
Well, I'm actually looking for Peppa. I can't find her anywhere in the house.
I know where she is, George. She's building her garden house.
A garden house?
You should go over there and check it out.
That's right. And she could probably use some of your help.
Ooh, I want to help build a garden house. Let's go. Hello, Peppa. I'm here to help you build your garden house.
It's gonna be fun. Let's begin. So the set doesn't come with instructions, but I think we can figure it out. Let's start off with our green building block. So let's put that there. That's going to be our base. Next, let's put this piece for our door and this piece for our window. Here's the door and here's the window. Let's try it out. Nice! We can open and close the window. And we can do the same thing with our door.
Next up, we need to build the roof.
Okay, here you go. And these pieces too. And there, all done. Let's add a fence on the front. And how about a beautiful flower by the door? Perfect! How about a little picnic area? Sure, Peppa. Let's start off with our table. We have here our chair. And of course, we need a little muddy puddle area. This goes right here. Beside it, let's put a little bush. In there is going to be a little bumblebee. And let's use more stickers all over the house, starting with some flowers. And a potted plant over here on the side. That's very pretty. Ooh, how about a bird right above it? There you go. And let's put more birds. One here. And an owl perch right here. Let's put some stickers inside the house too. Let's start off with Teddy. There's Teddy. How about George's dinosaur? Ooh, and a cute little mouse. It goes right here in the corner. And let's put Peppa's sticker over here on the front door. So everybody knows this is her garden house. And just like that, we are done building Peppa's garden house. Doesn't it look super duper awesome?
Oopsie, I'm a bit hungry.
No worries, George. I actually have a bowl of strawberries for you. Ooh, and we also have a cake.
Yippee! Food!
That was delicious! Well, now that we've finished building the garden house, it's time to play with some new friends. Later, Barbie! Cool! Okie dokie, looks like everybody's here to have some fun at Peppa's garden house. I will see you guys again in our next episode as here for Toys Unlimited. Bye, besties!